You can just feel how cold it might get here tonight out here on the weather deck, getting a little bit chilly as that sun will be setting here in a little over an hour or so. Let's take a look ahead to your Saturday. A frosty start to the day, but the afternoon will be just as bright and blue as today. And that's why the 13 weather ball is green. No change to that kind of weather foreseen. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Only made the upper 50s north. Our average high up there is 72. Last year we were 81. This year we were 20 degrees cooler. We only made 61 here this afternoon. That 61 matched our forecast high. That's another bullseye. We've had 3 out of 4 days with bullseyes and 8 days in a row within 3 degrees. Low temperatures this morning, we predicted 40, so that's a double bullseye. Our average low is 52, so a dozen degrees cooler. A mid and upper 30s off to the north, including 33 there in Ludington. A couple of other spots got down below freezing, including up here at Baldwin. Up in Lake County, it was a 31 at Hersey and up around Everett. Also in Isabella County, they were down in the mid-30s. Over here in Muskegon County, a little bit warmer, 41 at the airport in Norton Shores, but upper 30s as close to us as Rockford and up here in Weir and northwestern parts of the county. Further south, it was in the low 40s, but you're going to get down into the 30s overnight tonight, and including down in Calhoun and Kalamazoo County. So again, a very chilly night coming up. Other than that, we still have a frost advisory that was extended southward from last night all the way down south of the Michigan-Indiana border. Goes into effect at 2 o'clock through 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and a frost advisory has been replaced with a freeze warning up north tonight for Newaygo and Mecosta counties off to the north, so protect those plants if you can. Mid-30s here in Grand Rapids, below freezing, at least Fremont, Big Rapids, all areas that are normally colder. Not quite as cold at the lakeshore. It won't be quite as cold on Sunday morning. Nonetheless, there still might be some frost up north. We'll hit the low in mid-40s, warmer at the lakeshore, and then Monday morning we'll be out of the woods with readings in the mid-40s. If we do make 35 here in the morning in Grand Rapids, that would be a record set back in 1979, also 29 in 02. Muskegon, your record low is 36. Don't think you'll quite make that, but it's a possibility. That was also set in 1979. And Holland and Kalamazoo, you could come close to your record lows. Both of your years for that was back in 1916, so that could be over a 100-year record breaker here in West Michigan. Let's look ahead. This comes out on Friday. This is the week 3 and 4 temperature outlook. Entire country has a higher chance to see warmer than average temperatures for that first half of the month. Average highs start out at 66. They drop to 60 by the middle part of the month. In terms of rainfall, large section of the country. Also higher chances for less precipitation. Warm and dry. Isn't that what we like in October for all those falling leaves? The only spot, Pacific Northwest, where we could see some higher chances for some rain. They could use a little bit up there. Out on the lake shore here tomorrow, lots of sunshine, around 60 for Muskegon north, 62 Holland southward. Up north, after a frosty start, you'll get up close to 60 in the afternoon, a light south wind. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll see readings right around 60 to 61, just about where we were today. 13 on your side forecast. Back into the 70s for highs starting Monday, but we'll also start to see some of that smoky haze return. That'll last through at least to Thursday. A chance of a shower on Thursday, trending downward now, however, but an increasing chance of rain next Saturday night and the following Sunday.